Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So backspace key is not working. So I'm giving you step by step the solutions. The first step is right click to Windows icon, then go to device manager. Then guys find out the keyboard. Right click to update driver and update automatically. Then guys close. Second, click to start button and then click to setting, Windows update. So guys, if you have any Windows update pending like KB series, this is pending, so this is firstly install, okay, and then restart. Third solution, your keyboard connect to different USB. So guys, you have to connect 3.0, so 3.0, so you have to connect 2.0. So guys, this is actually blue colors, this is 3.0 and the black color is 2.0. So you have to connect on 2.0 and then try it. Okay, sometimes some keyboards companies not support on the blue means 3.0, and all the keyboard companies are supported to 2.0 means black. So connect this one and then restart. And one more step, then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.